Today on Technical Analysis, we're continuing our look at stocks showing compelling chart action ahead of their quarterly earnings reports. We've seen earnings-fueled breakouts time and again, and this earnings season will be no different. By having top stocks on your radar before they report earnings, you can be ready to act if you see a breakout after the results are issued. HubSpot is one of our stocks to watch this week, and the sales and marketing software stock is closing in on a buy point with earnings on the horizon. So let's take a look at this daily chart. HubSpot is seeing strong gains in the lead up to its quarterly report. It's now just 1% below a flat base buy point at 180.10. And like many of the bases from top growth stocks we've seen as of late, this is a tighter base that was formed shortly after a breakout from a deeper base. Now, the previous base was only 33% deep, but our research shows that deep bases, usually 40% or deeper, have a greater chance of failing. All in all, this tighter base is positive. Now, investors should keep an eye on the relative strength line too. It's been trending higher in recent sessions, but it was actually trending lower while the stock was moving more or less sideways as it built the base. As always, see if the relative strength line can hit a new high if and when the stock breaks out. The relative strength line measures the stock's price performance versus the S&P 500, and many of the best performing growth stocks have their relative strength lines at new highs when they break out. Heavy volume on a breakout is key too, because that signals support from those institutional investors. Now, when HubSpot reports after the close on May 7th, analysts expect the company to report earnings growth of 67% and sales growth of 29%. HubSpot saw triple-digit quarterly earnings growth in 2018, and quarterly sales have been in the solid double digits for at least 18 quarters. So the fundamentals appear to be there. We'll have to see how the results shake out and if that'll be the catalyst for a breakout. Remember, you can use IBD's earnings option strategy to limit your risk around earnings. And buying breakaway gaps is another way to attain big profits. For Investors Business Daily, I'm Alyssa Corum.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube.
If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.